Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Google Pixel 5i. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. From this screen, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then repeat all of those steps on the other smartphone. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow, OK. From here, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive at the bottom next to Send on Google. Also on Google, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. From it, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select all of those files and then transfer them by choosing Send next selected. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Click on Send, and wherever you did before, tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Google next to User Guide. Allow camera access by choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. But you can always go back and input this key over here instead by tapping on Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers. When you're ready, click on Receive button in order to connect. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!